friends, welcome Priyanka's Home Kitchen. Today I am going to show you Kadai chicken recipe. This is a traditional chicken curry recipe. So let's start with ingredients. Here I have taken this chicken which I already cut into big pieces, because for this recipe we need chicken with bone and some bigger pieces. You can see this big pieces, and one large chopped onion, 1½ tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, some fresh chopped cilantro leaves, 3 tomatoes puree. You can use chopped tomatoes also, 2 bay leaves, pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of red chili powder, and pinch of paprika, but paprika is totally optional. This is for just nice color and just little bit special flavor. And the core ingredients is whole coriander seeds. So here I have taken 3 teaspoons of whole coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn and ½ teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then I roasted them lightly and I grind them, and you can see that you have to grind them coarsely. You can see like this. And salt, water and oil. So here I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil, and my oil is already heated. So at first adding bay leaves. Now I am adding finely chopped onion, stirring, adding just pinch of salt so onion can cook very fast. So now onion became light golden color. So now I am adding this ginger garlic paste, stirring, and after 1 minute now I am adding this tomato puree, stirring, and all dry spices, turmeric powder, red chili powder and paprika. Then this grinded spices, lot of good spices, stirring, adding some salt as per taste, again stirring, and I will fry this all spices a little bit till oil separate from this all spices. So oil is separating from these spices, so this is ready. And if you want more hot, you can add green chilies, you can add more red chilies. And now I am adding this chicken pieces. Now stirring. Again I am adding these spices little bit. And now I am not adding water. If my chicken will become too dry, that time I will add water. And this recipe actually is about dry spicy chicken recipe. We don't need too much gravy for this recipe. So just stirring and cook it in low to medium high temperature. You can see that my chicken gradually is becoming totally dry. So now I am adding water, little bit water, and now I will cover it and cook it. And after 30 to 40 minutes, you can see my chicken is becoming gradually dry. So this is almost ready. You can see this is almost dry, not too much gravy. So now I am adding chopped cilantro and again stirring little bit. So this is ready, and it has to be this type of dry. You can see just little bit spices like this type of dry. Your chicken should be coated by this spicy gravy. Okay, so this is ready. Now I am going to take it out. So friends, here is my Kadai chicken, delicious Kadai chicken. Enjoy and see you with my next recipe.